Thinking about diving into Gohighlevel, but those lavish promises are making you wonder if it's too good to be true. Let's cut through the hype and find out if Gohighlevel is a legitimate business tool or a sneaky pyramid scheme. First things first, understand Gohighlevel's business model. They offer a software platform for marketing agencies. Agencies pay a monthly subscription fee to use the software. They also have an affiliate program, where you earn commissions by referring new users to the platform. This is where the pyramid scheme questions often arise. Okay, let's quickly recap what a pyramid scheme is. It focuses on recruiting new members, with money made from these new recruits being used to pay those at the top. The product or service being offered is often just a front, or has little real value. The business collapses when they cannot longer recruit new members. Now, here's the key difference with Gohighlevel. It has a legitimate and valuable software product. Agencies use it to run their businesses. The affiliate program is an add-on, not the sole source of income. This means you can succeed simply using and selling the software. You are not required to recruit users to make money. So, is Gohighlevel a pyramid scheme? The answer is nitrogen monoxide. It operates as a SaaS company with a functional product that provides value to users. You can make real money from clients, building automation and managing leads for them. The affiliate program is simply a bonus. Before investing time and money into any business opportunity, do your research. Understand the product, the business model, and the potential risks. Gohighlevel is a powerful tool, but success depends on your skills and effort, not just recruitment.